Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix Face ID not working on an iPhone. Let's get started. It's an annoying problem when Face ID isn't working because you can't quickly unlock your phone. There are a few different fixes you can try. To start, look at the top of your iPhone where the Face ID sensors are located. Make sure this area is clear. If you're using an old screen protector that's covering the sensor, remove it. Also check if your phone case is blocking the camera area. If the area looks dirty, gently clean it and then check if Face ID starts working again. In many cases, this alone can fix the issue. If that doesn't work, open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Face ID and passcode, then enter your passcode. Scroll down and select Reset Face ID, then tap Set up Face ID, and follow the on-screen steps to set it up again. Once you've completed the setup, check to see if Face ID is working properly. If the problem still isn't fixed, the next thing you should try is a force restart. To do this, press and quickly release the volume up button, then press and quickly release the volume down button. After that, press and hold the side button. Keep holding it until the screen goes black, and release it when you see the Apple logo. Once your iPhone restarts, Face ID should hopefully be working again. Thanks for watching.